Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you what my kids eat in a day. This is Saroon. She's 3 years old, and I have a 11-month-old still sleeping. It is 8 a.m. and we're going to have some breakfast. If you're new, hit that red subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like videos like these. I asked on Instagram if you guys would be interested in a what my kids eat in a day video, and so a lot of you said yes, the majority. So I'm going to do that today. If you're interested in seeing what they eat in a day, just keep watching. So, Saroon, what do you want for breakfast?
Cookie.
A cookie. Well, it's not just a cookie. So let me show you what she'll be having. It's a protein cookie that we have sometimes, like we half it for her. So these are really, really good, but it's 8 grams of protein and it's about 200 calories for half of it. So she'll be getting half of it. And then I'll put some fruit on the side, but I'll show you all that. All right. This girl. This girl. Here you're going to see us saying grace over the food. I like to do this just because she needs to know that we need to be thankful every day for everything that we've been given, because, you know, kids just don't understand that yet, and I really want her to understand that early on in life, to always be grateful. So I don't know if any of you moms can relate, but I have been nursing, you know, since day one, and I've been doing a really good job up until about 9 months. And typically this is when the baby gets kind of like distracted. So I've basically stopped nursing most of the time. So I have to go back to formula for the last couple months now. And she likes this formula by Gerber. So if you moms out there are in the same boat and are looking for like a good transition from breast milk to a formula, this Gerber Soothe worked really well with my first and has worked really well with my second.
tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, when I give you every part of me. I can't believe
Mama. Oh, yummy.
She's squeezing it.
She's squeezing it.
All
Is
the
it
way
yummy?
in her mouth.
Yummy.
just curious. When did you know you had feelings?
As you can tell, she loves these pouches so much. They're from Aldi. They're organic pouches. I get a lot of them for the whole week for her because we do a lot of driving and a lot of shopping. Wow. Wow. Go squeeze. Go squeeze it. Is it delicious? Is it super yummy? Oh, is it so delicious? We love it. We love it. About 10 a.m. This is kind of her breakfast. After her milk, she gets a little bit of a snack, I guess you could say. You want more? I gotta help you. I know. Oh, she loves her food.
Even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh.
Move out the way. Let's go clean up together.
I'm watching you cleaning up. Hey, Mommy. I'm watching you.
Yeah, you are.
Hey, Mommy, what did you do today, Mommy? Hi, Mommy. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
Oh, that's a good job, Mommy.
You want to help Mommy clean?
But I'm seeing you on the camera. Look, are you on the camera?
I am on the camera.
Hey, I write down.
So silly.
I write down, Mommy.
I'm right here.
Whoa, 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 it's getting bigger, Mommy. Look.
All right, so we're about to have a snack. So what would you like to eat as a snack?
A cookie.
We don't have cookies.
Peanut butter cake.
No, you had that for breakfast. What would you like us? Do you want goldfish, puffs, yogurt, fruit, a banana?
Yogurt.
Okay, all right. Scoop. 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 You want cheese too?
That's all the yogurt and cheese.
So she's going to be eating this yogurt. This is from Kroger. It's the Carb Master yogurt. This is what also I have. It's only 90 calories for a whole cup. And it's very low carb and 12 grams of protein. So it's a lot of protein, low carb, very good. As you can see, all the information right there. I give her about this much. It's a little less than a cup. It's like a half a cup almost. And then she also wants a mozzarella cheese stick. So, you excited? I think you're excited. All right. Here's your snack.
Just take this chance and fly away with me. Let's break your chains and give you time to heal. So I wait while you take your time. I wait while you take your time. Wait while from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you. Tell me, what are you saying? What game are we playing? I want us to be for real now, real now.
The time is 12 o'clock, and so Naomi's having her second bottle of the day. It's about 4 to 5 ounces of that formula that I showed you. And Saroon had a snack about an hour ago. And did you hurt your leg? Oh, mom life. Look. You're okay. Look at that face. So it's about 12 o'clock, and I'm about to fix my 3-year-old Saroon some spaghetti, and probably put another fruit on the side. I haven't decided yet. I'll probably ask her and see. But either the spaghetti, or I'm sorry, either fruit or a salad and ranch. So we'll see what happens. But I wanted to show you real quick.
Clementine is a clown. Well, she must be pretty special, clown lord. I wonder what amazing stuff she can do.
So my 3-year-old really likes that show. So if you want another idea on anything to show your kids, I really like it. There's nothing really bad about it. And I like that it's a, a different accent so that they can enjoy different dialects and sounds. So let's get to making lunch.
It's alright. It's a wild ride, taking me high, put me on fire. When I'm with you, when I'm with you.
So Saroon really enjoys spaghetti, but she really enjoys dipping her salad in ranch. So I did it that way instead of pouring it on top. But if she finishes her salad, I'll probably give her like an orange. So we'll see what happens.
Go for life, go for passion. You are my light, a sound of...
I forgot to mention that Saroon had eaten her entire plate at breakfast and all of her snack. So, I'm filming this, but I forgot to film basically what she ate. And I do want to say, probably 90% of the time she eats everything. Sometimes she gets kind of not focused, and we feed her a little bit of more because she's just kind of paying attention to a show or just kind of drifting off because she's sleepy. She eats a variety of good stuff, so I try to keep it interesting and not every day the same thing, just because I want her to get used to eating differently. I know that my husband and I discussed doing letting her try more of our food that we eat. I know that the other day we had what was it? A tortilla with some teriyaki chicken, peppers, and a little bit of ranch and avocado and tomato inside. And while we were eating it, she was curious and wanted a bite. So I think we're gonna try to give her more of what we're eating and see how she does.
Fight for. You're my journey now, my love, a journey. At night we light the sky, my love, caravan. We're like a force divine, caravan, the core of freedom, caravan, a spring in desert land, my love, my love, my love. My love, my love, my love. Over mighty plains, through the heavy rains, a love to die for, a love to fight for. You're my journey now, my love, a journey. At night we light the sky, my love, caravan.
We print this review in every paper inventory. Have press tickets when one brings it in.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah.
I kind of failed on showing you what Naomi and Saroon had eaten for their snack. Saroon ate part of her snack at home, and then we went for a drive to Home Depot, and she finished the rest of it in the car. And then we just got home, and it's about 7 o'clock, and she's having peanut butter toast, and Naomi just had that pouch that I showed you, and another 4-ounce bottle of milk. So I think Naomi will probably have half of an avocado before bed, and then Saroon will probably have another item. I'm not sure, maybe because I'm making vegetables right now, I'll probably offer some vegetables to her, so we'll see if she likes those or if she prefers like a banana or more avocado like her sister. So I'll keep you posted.
It takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated, babe.